right now I'm with my beautiful housemate, and my goal is to feed her. True.
True.
My goal is I want to grow plants. Right now we set up one. We actually have seven, right? I think we have seven.
Seven.
We have one, two of these, and five of the hydroponic, right?
Mm-hmm.
So the goal is to grow our own food and be an inspiration. So this young lady is going to be an inspiration to all of you. What are we doing here? Good.
So what we're doing here, it's making a self-growing, self-watering system to grow food. So the way this works is, you start up baby plants.
And we checked a lot of them, right?
We did.
And this was the best one we thought?
To start, yeah. So this one's the best one to start.
What's it
It's a
called?
little small.
What was it called?
Uh,
But we did check up a lot of them.
we did.
We
yeah,
did.
we did check a lot.
We
of
did our
them.
research. I don't know if it's going to work or not.
I think so.
Okay.
So this is the King Grow.
King Grow.
King Grow.
So how many plants are we going to put in there?
So we can do at least 15 over here.
Yeah, 15 over there.
Yeah, and we can plant several on this side.
Okay.
So
At least 20, 25 plants.
yeah,
right?
yeah.
At least 20, 25.
This
So you-
side over here.
So we're gonna make sure you eat greens at least, at the very least, right?
Definitely.
And then we'll have spinach and maybe lettuce and,
Spinach, lettuce, and kale and stuff like that, and definitely
tomatoes.
tomatoes. Definitely tomatoes.
Because you can grow up to 4 feet high, right?
Oh yeah, definitely. So they'll grow on this side, and then we can take the baby plants on the tomatoes and put it over here if we choose to.
Keep in mind, she set this up
I set it up.
because it was way beyond me, right?
Not like once
Yeah. Yeah.
how it goes. This
Yeah.
is my first time seeing anything like this, so
Yeah.
once you
So
know.
you're excited about doing this?
I am. No, I am.
Yeah.
So I got our seeds set up
Yeah.
to be
Oh, you do?
germinated. I got them.
Oh wow!
Yeah. So
Wow.
this came with
So
the lettuce
how
mix.
does that work?
So these will take about a week to
A week.
sprout.
So we have lettuce,
Yeah, we got lettuce. I got the lettuce that came with the set.
right?
The white Paris lettuce that you had, Arnold,
Right. And
and
basil.
some basil. It's your basil.
I think I have. We're talking about. I think I have turnips over there and spinach.
Whoops.
Right? Don't I have that?
Hmm?
I think I have spinach and turnip and radishes.
Yeah, you got radishes and
Spinach.
spinach. I think yes, it's
Yeah.
spinach.
And I think we have kale too, right?
Yeah, so there's
So
kale and
it's
spinach.
better for seedlings. Now it's hard to find it right now.
Right? Yeah.
So this is what we're doing. We're going to teach you not knowing what we're doing.
Well, that's how everybody starts.
That's how everyone starts.
So
And then we have some more trees back there we can do hydroponically.
yeah, we're
We
doing
actually started, right?
that. Mm-hmm.
We
Yeah,
started some
got it.
blueberries.
Yeah. So
We started some
got it in there.
blueberries. Let's see. We have a lot of plants in here. I can't say we don't. I mean, there's a lot of watering to be done here. I mean, every 2 feet's a
But
plant.
they're thriving.
They're thriving. And this here, we just set up recently, is we have carrots. There's a fig tree we took in, blueberries, and we have,
Yes, it's.
I think that's beets, right? I think it's pretty sure it's beets. So all this is going to be set. We have the sunlight, and what we're going to do is all this is going to be hydroponically.
Yep. We're gonna work on doing that.
Yeah.
So.
And then that area, then we're going to work over here. I think actually that one's going to go over here, right?
This one?
The one over there is going to go over here.
Is it? Yeah.
Yeah,
sure,
yeah, right there. You see it? No, one over there.
You're gonna put one over.
That goes over here.
You see where you want to put it?
Yeah, what do you think?
Yeah. Yeah,
I mean, she's in
it can
charge.
go- I mean,
You're in
it
charge.
can go anywhere. It's
Yeah,
just,
you're in charge.
You know,
I'm just doing it for a hobby,
It's-
but you're doing it for food.
I am, and you know.
You like doing that for food?
It's interesting knowing. Okay, I can grow my own food, and I know where it's been. I took care of it. So that's exciting, and I don't have to worry about because last year I think it was last year before there were a lot of E. coli and stuff in food like lettuce and
Still
coming
is.
coming
Still
from
is. Still
somewhere
is.
you don't know what they're doing
Yeah,
in there.
that's right.
So
Still is.
the comfort of knowing, okay, this is my food that I grew organically, no chemicals. That's nothing beats that.
Right.
Nothing beats that. So.
By the way, when she met me, she was a Wawa fanatic. And
You
now
get a Wawa every single day.
and now she's mostly vegan, right?
I am mostly, yeah.
Mostly
So
vegan? And she's we get along pretty well, right?
yeah, I am.
I'm saying me and you get along pretty well.
We do.
Yeah.
We do.
So my next goal is to have mushrooms too. I told
Mushrooms.
you. I want to think we can make a living from mushrooms.
Wow.
That'd be interesting, right?
Yeah, that will be.
Okay,
Yeah.
so
So I'm starting with greens.
starting with greens.
Greens.
There's hydroponics. So we're gonna have these 40, 50, 40, at least 40 or 50, right?
Ooh, we'll see.
Right?
Well, and there's a lot of different hydroponic systems.
Yeah, this is
So-
down. This is
so-
torpedo pot. So we're gonna do at least 5, 6 right here.
Mhm. And there's
Yeah.
a lot of systems to explore.
Yeah.
There's several of them. So we'll see. We started out with the simple one today.
Right,
And maybe we'll have a whole humongous system
right,
in here
right.
next year. So who knows?
So who knows? We got plenty of room, right?
Sure do.
Okay.
Do.
Okay, and I with me and Mira. Mira's my buddy. She is my buddy, and she does videos with me. But a few girls who will do videos with me. Most people are afraid. She says, "Bring it on." I really love that about her.
Yeah, definitely.
Okay.
So,
Bye.
bye.